Hello everyone, welcome to your second online math classroom. Today we are going to continue our chapter multiplication and division of integers. Yesterday we did multiplication of two integers. Our today's objective is going to be students will be able to multiply three integers using the sign table. So what we are going to do is we are going to multiply three integers. Yesterday we did multiplication of two integers. Now we are going to do multiplication of three integers. Before we start our new objective, let's get a quick revision of what we did yesterday. So find product of the given integers. This is your question. Minus 5 into 14 will give you what? 10 multiplied by minus 4 equals to what? Make sure that you write down these two questions in your notebook. Pause the video for now and find out the answer. I will share the answer on the WhatsApp group. I am not going to share the answers in this video. Alright, so class, now let's start our today's class. First question is minus 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 2. There is no sign given here, which means 3 is positive. Now our steps to build skills. First step, put all integers in bracket with their sign. What do we have to do? We have to put all the integers in bracket. Okay, not just only the number but also their signs. So minus 4, put it in a bracket, multiply by this is plus 3. Alright, I have to put the sign as well. Multiply by minus 2. Our first step is done. Step 2. Take all signs outside the bracket. So I have to take all the signs outside the bracket. Only the signs, okay? Minus, plus and minus. There are three signs, right? Minus, plus and minus. So I have taken them outside the bracket. Put all numbers inside one big bracket. So you have to make one big bracket and put all the numbers inside. 4. Now if you will see, the numbers are multiplying, right? This is the sum of multiplication. So I have to put multiply by 3, multiply by 2. Don't get confused. We have to put all the numbers in one big bracket with the multiplication sign. Now, second step done. Third step, multiply the numbers. We have to first multiply the numbers. Okay, 4 multiplied by 3 will give you 12. Multiply by 2 will give you how much? 24, right? If you want, you can write one step, or you can directly write 24 here. You can do your working note here. 4 3s are 12 and 12 2s are 24. So I will write 24 here. Now class, use sign table to multiply all signs. We have to use sign table, right? What was our sign table? This is something that we have done in our yesterday's class. We know that plus and plus will give you plus. Plus and minus will give you minus. Minus and plus will give you minus, and minus and minus will give you plus. This is something that we know. This is our sign table. We are going to use our sign table to find out the sign of the final answer. Okay, so there are three signs, minus and plus. First take these two signs, minus and plus. It will give you minus, right? So this result into minus, right? Now minus and minus. Minus and minus will give you plus. So answer will be plus 24. Again I am explaining you the fourth step. Fourth step is very critical, it's very important. There are three signs, right? So minus, plus and minus. First take the first two signs, minus and plus. See what is the result? Minus and plus will give you minus. And then write down the result down. जो भी आंसर मिल रहा है उसको नीचे लिखो और फिर वो आंसर और लास्ट वाला साइन लिखो. माइनस एंड माइनस, माइनस और माइनस क्या हो रहा है? प्लस. मतलब मेरा फाइनल आंसर क्या आएगा? प्लस 24. दिस इज माय फाइनल आंसर. Alright, now class, second question. 6 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 6. My step 1 is to put all the numbers in bracket. These two numbers are already in bracket. I have to put this number as well in bracket. So 6 is with plus sign, right? कुछ भी sign नहीं है मतलब plus है. तो plus 6 multiply minus 5 multiply minus 6. Put all the numbers in bracket. Now take out signs plus माइनस माइनस. साइंस को बाहर ले लिया और बड़े ब्रैकेट में सब नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. हो गया. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर्स फर्स्ट. 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. इफ यू डोंट नो यू कैन डू द वर्किंग नोट हियर. 6 5 30. 30 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6. आंसर विल बी 180. राइट 180 हियर. Multiply the signs using the sign chart. These are sign charts. Now plus minus. So plus minus will give you minus. Put an arrow. Write down the result down. Minus minus. Minus minus will give you plus. My answer is plus 180. Quickly we'll go for the third question. Minus 2 multiply minus 4 multiply minus 3. Now if you notice, our first step is already done. All the numbers are in bracket. We'll go for second step. What is our second step, class? Take all the signs out. Minus, minus, minus. And put the numbers in bracket. This is done. Now, multiply the numbers. 2 multiply by 4 will give you how much? 8 into 3 will give you 8 3 is a 24. Right? Now minus minus. What is minus minus? Plus. Write down the result down. Plus minus. What is plus minus? Minus. My final answer is minus 24. Alright, question number 4. Minus 5 multiply by 2 multiply by 1. Okay, quickly put all the numbers in bracket. Right, this will also come in bracket with the sign. Now take all the signs out. Put the numbers in big bracket. Multiply the numbers. 5 2s are 10 and 10 1s are 10. Minus plus. What is minus plus? Go back to the sign table. Minus plus minus. Right, minus. Then again minus plus will give you minus. So answer will be minus 10. Class, these were the 4 questions that we just did. Right. Now if you will notice, the answer of first 2 questions are positive and the answer of next 2 questions, question number 3 and 4, are negative. Right. We will try to explain why this happened. So question number 1, there are 2 negative integers, right? And in question number 2 there are 2 negative integers. Negative integers means माइनस वाले नंबर्स कितने हैं. तो 3 जो नंबर थे उसमें से 2 नंबर माइनस वाले हैं और यहाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में भी 3 जो नंबर थे उसमें से 2 नंबर माइनस वाले हैं. नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स, राइट? सो इफ द नंबर ऑफ नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स आर इवन. इवन मतलब क्या होता है? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, है ना, जो इवन नंबर्स होते हैं. तो अगर नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स जो है वो इवन है तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? पॉजिटिव आएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में भी देखो, द नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स, देयर आर हाउ मेनी नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स? द टोटल नंबर ऑफ नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आर 2, which is even, 2 is even, therefore the answer is positive. On the other hand, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स कितने हैं? 1 2 3, 3 नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स है. 3 इवन है कि ऑड है? ऑड है. सो इफ द नंबर ऑफ नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स इन अ क्वेश्चन इज ऑड, देन द प्रोडक्ट ऑब्टेन इज ऑल्सो माइनस. प्रोडक्ट ऑब्टेन जो होगा वो माइनस होगा, मतलब जो आंसर आएगा वो माइनस में आएगा हमेशा. सेम क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 देखो, कितने नंबर ऑफ नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स है? ओनली 1. 1 इज इवन और ऑड? ऑड. ऑड है तो मेरा आंसर प्लस या माइनस में आना चाहिए? माइनस में आना चाहिए, राइट? ऑड रहेगा नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स तो माइनस में आएगा, और प्लस रहेगा नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स तो इवन रहेगा नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स तो प्लस में आंसर आएगा. ओके, ऑलराइट. सो क्लास ये ट्रेंड से यू कैन राइट डाउन दिस 2 सेंटेंसेस. The number of negative integers multiplied in question number 1 and 2 are 2, which is even, so the product is also positive. Second statement is the number of negative integers multiplied in question number 3 and 4 are 1 and 3, right? Question number 3 में एक नेगेटिव नंबर था और क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में 3 नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स थे. सॉरी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में क्लास 3 नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स थे और क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में क्लास 1 नेगेटिव इंटीजर था. सो 3 and 1 both are odd. The product obtained is negative. You can pause your video here. Copy this 2 statement in your notebook now. Okay? As these are your homework questions. I have given you 5 questions for today. Copy this down in your notebook and submit me your answers before 1:30 p.m. Okay. So class, I hope that you liked our today's session, and make sure that you submit your answers by 1:30. I have seen many of you are not watching the video, so those who have not watched the video, make sure that you watch the video that I have uploaded it yesterday, and then watch this video. अगर आपने कल का वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो आज का वीडियो में जो मैंने पढ़ाया है आप लोग को नहीं समझ में आएगा. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू वॉच yesterday's video first and then watch this video. Clear? Thank you so much.